Python First Character Capitalization Code Snippets.
How to capitalize the first character in Python.
How can we capitalize the first letter of every word in Python?
Do it with the .title method of a string, either ASCII or Unicode is fine.
Solution 2.
One way is to split the string into a list of words, modify each word as necessary, and then join the words back together into a single string.
Solution 3.
Another way is to use regular expressions to find patterns in the string and modify them accordingly. Regular expressions are patterns used to match and manipulate strings based on certain rules and conventions. Resub is a function in the re module that replaces all occurrences of a pattern in a string with a specified replacement string.
Solution 2 versus Solution 3.
The first method is more basic and works well for simple modifications like changing the case of the first letter in each word. The second method is more powerful and can handle more complex modifications, but requires knowledge of regular expressions.
Solution 4.
Use the split method on the string object, which returns a list of words.
Please give us a summary on this.
In conclusion, you can do this through various string manipulation methods. There are multiple ways to modify a string, including basic methods such as splitting and joining, and more advanced methods using regular expressions and the re module.